Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Blair look from Barbie Charm School Princess movie and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and also this bang, and then you can color it blonde. And the next one, we're going to wear this skirt and then apply this pattern, and this one as well, apply the same pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the t-shirt area, and then I'm going to wear this t-shirt and remove the pattern, then color it white. Okay, the next one, I'm going to wear the sleeve, and then I'm going to color it white. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this item and add sock. Okay, for the sock, I'm going to color it white. Alright, and the next one, I'm going to wear this item and change the toggle to 3 and then apply this blue color. Okay, and then we're going to put some accessories. Actually, we need a tiara for Princess Blair, but I'm just going to replace it with another accessory. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to change the toggle to 2, and then I'm going to add this material as well. Okay, I'm going to change it to type 2. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Blair from Barbie Charm School Princess. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!